the fuck? Weird. Okay, maybe that looks like more of an opening right here. That's freaky. Bro, I wonder why this was abandoned. What the fuck? Bro, this is sick. Why was this abandoned? Had couches in here. What the fuck? This place was so cool. I wonder why. This place is sick. It looks like it like this side was like up and then it like collapsed. So the ceiling became a wall or some shit. That's freaky. Couldn't get to the actual door, but there's a door right here, I guess. Whoa. Feels like I'm in World War II and I just got fucking bombed. Oh.